everybody. I'm here today to show you and tell you how to build a habit that actually sticks. And these will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. If you want to build a habit and you want that habit to stick, this is the video for you, okay? There are a couple of simple steps, and these steps will help you build a habit, and they will help that habit actually stick and be part of your regular routine and your regular lifestyle. So first and foremost, sorry about that, I gotta clear my throat, just give me a second. There we go, that's better. Anyways, we're moving on. First and foremost, the first thing that you have to do is understand the reasoning behind you building this habit. If you're building a habit arbitrarily and you don't know why you're building it, it's going to be harder for that habit to actually stick around and be part of your regular lifestyle and your regular routine. Okay? So you got to understand the reasoning why. So you got to figure out why you want to create this habit. That's the first thing. Once you understand the reasoning why you want to create this habit, then the next step is to make a plan to make the habit happen. So you want to make a plan and create a plan that is realistic and doable and makes sense. And that plan will sort of facilitate this habit happening, okay? And the next thing, once you have that plan, and I'll give you an example in a moment, but the next thing, once you have that plan in place, is to actually do it as much as possible. You want to literally implement that plan, okay? And do that habit as much as you possibly can. Does that mean you have to do it every single time, every single day? No. There are exceptions, of course, but you got to do it as much as possible. So I'll give you an example. Let's say I wanted to build a habit towards waking up earlier, okay? So the first thing would be to understand why I want to wake up earlier. What is the purpose? Well, if I wake up earlier, I can get more stuff done. I can get a head start on the day. I can be more pleasant by the time that everybody else in the household wakes up, and on and on and on. So I understand the reasoning why. Okay. Now, next up, what is the plan? How am I going to wake up earlier? Well, I'm going to set my alarm half an hour earlier, and I'm going to go to bed half an hour earlier. Simple. That is the plan. It literally, it's literally as the most simplistic plan, and it makes sense, and it's doable, and it's basically the best plan that I can make. Go to sleep half an hour earlier, set my alarm half an hour earlier to wake up half an hour earlier. Simple as that. Great plan. Now, the next step would be to implement it as much as possible. So literally, as much as I can possibly implement it, I want to just, do exactly that. Wake up half an hour earlier. Every single time that I can do it. Now, does that mean every single day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, I'm going to wake up half an hour earlier? No, there are obviously exceptions. Maybe one night we're at an event and we go to bed a bit late. Okay, maybe that's the exception day where the next morning I'm not going to wake up that half an hour earlier, okay? But as much as I possibly can, I'm going to wake up half an hour earlier. And the more that you do it, the more that the habit will stick. If you use those steps, you can build a habit that is likely to stick around, and you can build a habit that is likely to work with your lifestyle and your routine. Simple as that. And that's it. That's how you do it. I've shown you and told you exactly how to do exactly what you want to do with your habit. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. I've got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.